If you really want constant happiness or constant joy, you have to work hard. So here, when we find a thought is creating no pain, we develop liking for that. A thought which is creating pain, we don't want it. A thought which creates joy or creates no pain, we want to receive it, welcome it. A thought which is creating pain, we want to get rid of it. One soul, one mind, many thoughts. One soul, one mind, many thoughts. Although thoughts are many, but we, through our conscious living, discriminative mind, can eliminate negative thought. Now, how to eliminate? Again, it will come in the Yoga Sutra. You can easily eliminate negativity if you live in positive. It is said by the yogis, it might be difficult to eliminate old habits as old habits die hard. Instead of trying to eliminate old habit, create a new habit and stick to it. Don't think of the old bad habit. Keep yourself busy in new good habit so that there will be no time for your mind to allow old habit to come up. There will be no time. Keep yourself busy. Or live in such environment where negative habit, negative thought cannot find time or place to come to you. That is why it is said, don't live alone. If you are not sincere, if you are not strong, if you are not completely disciplined, live with others in a good environment, you can easily prepare yourselves. You can transform yourself and be more God-loving, God-conscious.